Hey, hello all. Welcome to configuration of AlwaysOn in Oracle game part 5. So far we have done creation of node, install DC, add nodes to domain, .NET and failover installation completed. So now we are going to install SQL Server on A and B node. So I'm on A node. So I have just downloaded evaluation version of SS. Um, Evaluation edition. So let me open it. Sequence of evaluation. Just I'm going to download it. So what file I'm going with ISO file. Okay, download. Let it download first. Once the setup is complete, I mean setup file is downloaded, we can do installation. Okay, download about to complete. Okay, done. Yes. So let's install SQL Server. Click on setup. Go to installation, choose standalone. So first we need to install a standalone, then we have to enable AG, then we have to create always on group and the stuff. Okay, so evaluation edition next. Accept the license next. I'm going to check for update next. So it's come next. So what are the features? I'm going to go with engine, replication, mm, client data quality, client tool connectivity, backward compatibility, client tools, SDK, distributed. Okay. So next, so instance name, SQL, it, it can be anything. I'm going with SQL. So I have already created a service account. I mean account name for this. I will change it once installation is completed. Otherwise, we can change it here. That's not an issue. So browse SQL SQL service. Okay, password. SQL service and password. Select OK. Password. Change it to automatic. Next. So if you want, you can select this one to perform in all the maintenance tasks. Let it be. So going with this next mode and SA password. Current user as well as check names, SQL service. Okay, so data directories, we have only one, so let it be. So number of files is coming from course since if you see here